Friends, if you have this kind of digital LED watch and want to set the time and date, the method is very easy. Just watch the full video and after that you'll be able to set it easily at home. Friends, my name is Ishaq Ahmad and you're watching my channel Saidi Watch Jumper. Friends, to set the time on this watch, press the display once. Then press and hold it. When you long press it, the hours will start blinking. Now set the hours this way. Friends, after setting the hours, press and hold again. When you long press, the minutes will start blinking. Now set the minutes here this way. Friends, after that you press and hold it again. After long pressing, press and hold it again this way. Here friends, you set the month. Friends, after that press and hold it again. Long press it and set the date this way. Friends, after setting the date, press and hold it again. When you long press it, here you can check that the time has been set. Press it like this and the month and date will show here. Friends, this way you can easily set the time on this digital LED watch at home and complete all its settings. Friends, that was my video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, like it, share it with your friends, and if you have any problem with watches, you can tell me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.